What a turn of events on Nikola stock after bottoming out in June. The stock is up roughly 300 plus percent, and it all kind of started in mid-July when Nikola announced a partnership with BayoTech to sell them 50 of their EV vehicles. Now, it is safe to say that this is a short squeeze occurring, although 19% of the shares are shorted. This has Wall Street bets written all over it. And the good news continues as the price rose again, roughly 25% to start the week off. On more bullish news, let's get into the article. So this article is coming from the Motley Fool. Nikola stock jumped again today. Today's surge comes after the company announced an agreement with J.P. Hunt Transport for the sale of 13 Nikola electric trucks to the trucking company with a market cap of $20 billion. J.P. Hunt is likely the largest company Nikola has announced as a customer to date. The order consists of 10 battery electric Class 8 trucks along with 3 hydrogen fuel cell powered vehicles. Initial delivery expected to begin as soon as August. Now, 2 weeks ago, Nikola said it was selling its Arizona hydrogen hub to Australia's based Fortescue Future Industries to help lower its capital spending needs and bring in additional capital. Nikola's management also expects to gain enough shareholder support. This is the big one now. This is the big one because the stock was trading at such a low stock price for so long. They got delisted from the NASDAQ. And a re-enlistment would mean, good things. So management expects to gain enough shareholder support for an important proposal that will help it raise future capital when the company reconvenes its shareholder meeting later this week. The rise in the share price has also brought Nikola back into compliance with the New York Stock Exchange listing requirements. Stock was at risk of being delisted as the share price hovered well below $1 in late May. Again, this has Wall Street bets written all over it. All right, so where do we go from here is the question. Let's just zoom out to the monthly. And this was a key area, the $3 level, right? This was the most recent origin of the last leg down that took prices from, say, $2.75 to 50 cents. We are gapping for the month of August, and if we get a close above this $3 level, that's really bullish. In addition, that would mean also price is above the monthly moving average as well. Very, very bullish. However, the month of August is just beginning. Going to the weekly chart, what you can see though is you have your moving averages plateauing or basing, and you have what is to be a bullish convergence between and crossover between the 13 and the 26 weekly moving average. That is bullish. That is bullish. How about we just draw a resistance trend line, right, to indicate the momentum it's seen since the beginning of June. All right, so let's go down to the daily chart. Again, prices are now above the 200-day moving average. That is a longer term, you could say, resistance support line, dynamic line. Because prices are now above it, again, another bullish sign. And what you're probably going to have in maybe the next month or two, you're going to have the golden cross where the Red line, which represents the 50-day moving average, is going to cross over the 200-day moving average. Again, very bullish for Nikola shareholders. All right, so how high can price get short term? I'm going to go scroll back out to the weekly chart. And you see a couple of pivot lows. You see this pivot highs. So look for price, if we get a close, at least on the weekly, above this band at $3. Your next level is going to be roughly 450, 425. All right, that's going to be where you're going to have price at least pause, as you do have pivot lows and pivot highs in that area. As you can see, price likes the area. Based on these wicks. So let's see if like how the rest of the week goes. There's supposed to be a shareholder meeting to discuss relisting on the NASDAQ. That's going to be bullish as well for price. I don't anticipate price moving back down to the dollar level or below it. Nikola has bottomed. There is more upside momentum. Price is currently at $3. Look for price to continue to move higher over the coming weeks and hit that $4 level. Look for price to at least pause between $4 and $4.50. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.